It is time for a mindful movement moment with Miss Lori and Lenny the Porcupine at 11 Learning Lodge, where we show you 2 mindful moves that you can add into your day. Lenny will watch and I will start. The first one is some elephant breathing. This becomes your trunk, and you start up high, and then you breathe in, and then as you breathe out, you go down, all the way back between your legs. This one is a very nice move, a nice stretch, nice and gentle, a great way to warm up your day. Some elephant breathing. The second one, you know what, Lenny? Let's go ahead and have you do some elephant breathing, and then we will move on to our next one. Some elephant breathing going up and down. You have a very nice elephant trunk. Good job, Lenny. Great job. Then our second one comes again from our Yoga Pretzels deck of cards. And it's inspired by the card titled Jazzy Jamming. That one, it just encourages us to explore the sounds that we can make with our body. It could be humming, singing, la 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 la. Could be clicking your tongue. It could be clapping. Clapping is not very loud with Lenny, but that's okay. You could knock on something. Just think of ways that you can make noise using your body. And it's a fun way, it's a fun experiment to do together to see what kind of sounds you can make as a group. All right, now it is your turn to give these things a try. But Lenny has a quick message. If you have not yet, please subscribe and leave me some comments and let me know what else you would like to see. And I'll see what I can deliver, so I know I'm giving you more of what you need and what you love. Thank you, Lenny. It is your turn to stretch your body, stretch your body. Now you know just what to do. Rest your body, rest your body. Now the rest is up to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.